It's not necessary. It's a new topic, which I'm gonna treat right now. Okay, and then I want to apologize to the Radio Detection and Ranging Society, because at this time it was very late for me to deliver this message. Be it as it may, radio detection and ranging radar means rat, antelope, dog, antelope, rat. So what it really means, okay, you see, these animals put together, they are very very cunning, and when they are working, they are very very careful with the things they do. And then, for instance, rat steals antelope. I mean, birds of a feather. Do they really flock together? From what we see in the society today, that means cunning is it's a word for it has well, so to say, I wouldn't say anything about it, but let me go straight to the point. How to produce a radar? Computer graphics. For example, Corel Draw. When you put up a beautiful um, Corel drawings of beautiful flowers or different colors or rectangles or any kinds of it, okay, but spectacularly flowered colors of different sizes put together, okay, put together. You want to design this in such a way that it has spaces, just like the words I've said lately. It's cut by cut. For instance, you can create a table with, for instance, let me start by creating a table with this software. Okay, just look at this. It's a table. Here you can draw a flower inside, but don't let it touch the border. Let it be appropriate. Okay, you do another one, you do another one here, you do another one here, just like that. You're filling all the spaces, but it is not, you're not going to fill all of these colors together, because if you fill all of this, it becomes one color. Okay, and then the border is also a part of it. So um you're gonna get a disfigured border, a disfigured border, okay, with flowers at the middle. All right, flowers at the middle, and these flowers are gonna be colored. Okay, you put different colors: blue, red, um different colors. But don't use white or black. Never use white or black. Okay, but let these drawings be at the middle of each um, at the middle of each um, at the middle of each space. So now that you've got this ready, okay, you will print it out. Okay, and then when it is necessary for you to print it out as a paper. All right, and it's gonna be an appropriate paper for gift wrapping. Then you're gonna get this to the camera frontage. All right, when you get it to the camera frontage, you can place it in any of its systems. That's all.